Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we got some John boat or dinghy wheels that we're gonna be putting on the 12-foot Appleby boat that we got. This is gonna be for, those of you that don't have a trailer, like in my situation, I don't have a trailer, so this is just gonna be rolling in the back of the truck. So my thought is mounting these foldable wheels on the back of the boat by the transom, and then when I lower it down out of the back of my truck, the wheels will hit on the boat ramp, and then with the rope in the bow, just kind of guiding it down and let the wheels carrying it into the water, and then just gently lay the front down. That's my thought. I think it'll work. So we're going to go through today, and we're going to do an install of these wheels, and kind of be a little step by step in some way. The instructions, as I'll show you, aren't the most clear. As you would imagine from ordering, some stuff off Amazon, the instructions aren't always the best. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started with that. All right, guys. So here's all the parts. We've got the frames. We've got the braces that the wheels will be mounted on. Right here are our locking pins, all the lag bolts. These are the 10-inch wheels. It says they can hold up to 300 pounds. So we'll start getting this installed here. So I think is what we'll do first is we'll get the wheels assembled. Just got our sleeves. We got 2 sleeves. This will be part of the little bearing here. Slide that through. Okay. As you can see, these are the instructions. 3 steps. Nothing on the back. And this bracket, put that through there. Set that down. Washer, locking washer. Okay. Let's get it finger tight for now. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so they can still free turn. That one's snugged up. Let's see if we can snug it a little bit better. Okay, there's that one. And we'll get this one snugged up. Okay. Have to probably go right in between there. Pretty close here to the handles, so we got room in case we do put a little bit bigger outboard on here. Okay. Okay. We got those 4 spots marked. I'll have to ream it out just a little bit, not too much. Okay. Okay, so we're going to take some Flex Seal paste. We're going to put this on put in our bolts here to kind of seal the hole up. One bracket on. All right, so we got both the brackets on for our wheel mounts. So let's we'll adjust the boat here. This kind of be the moment of truth here. We got it looks a little sloppy, but I just really want to get a bunch of that Flex Seal in there, just to make sure we don't have anything leaking through those holes we just drilled. So it's got the different heights. So we would want it at the lowest one here. That'll give us our clearance. Through like that. That'll keep her locked. Okay. Now we just got a little bit of a leak right on this part right here, so we're gonna really cake on some seal. It looks like this spot right there. Kind of smooth that around with the finger a little bit. At least get one coat on there for now. Let that dry, and then we'll do another coat. All right, moment of truth here. Let's see how these wheels do. Okay. Well, they roll. That's step one. Okay, so then here's the plan. If you don't have a trailer, the whole point of these wheels is for like a one-man operation for, you know, just loading it into the back of your truck. So my plan is to get it up to the tailgate here, pick up the bow, and just kind of use leverage on the tailgate just to lift it in. So we're gonna check it out, see how it works. Get it up here, just keep rolling. Up here, leverage, like a dream. Strap your boat down, of course, and then the next plan's then once you get to the boat ramp, this will be super slick for one person. Just ease it down, you're back down all the way to the ramp to the water. Let them wheels hit. And you're just going to feed it into the water. Gently on down. You're in the water, ready to launch, and that's it. That's the boat wheels.